A single accidental drop can cost hundreds in repairs. That's why choosing the right case matters. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the best Galaxy S26 drop protection cases built to absorb shocks and survive serious falls. Check the links in the description and grab the protection your phone deserves. The number 7 product on our list is MYBAT Heavy Duty Shockproof. A single drop can turn a beautiful smartphone into an expensive repair story. That fear disappears the moment protection like this wraps around a Galaxy S26. Designed for users who live actively and refuse fragile cases, the structure focuses on serious impact defense. Dual-layer construction combines a shock-absorbing TPU bumper with a rigid outer shell that handles everyday knocks and sudden falls. The sliding camera cover quietly guards the lenses from scratches, while adding a small sense of mechanical satisfaction every time it moves. A rotating metal ring stand supports comfortable viewing and even connects easily to magnetic car mounts for navigation. Compared with slimmer protective shells, this design feels more rugged and slightly heavier, yet the added durability makes the trade worthwhile. Ideal for commuters, travelers, and outdoor users who want dependable armor around their phone during unpredictable daily moments. At number 6 is Crave MagSafe Shockproof. A single careless moment can send a phone crashing toward the ground, and that instant panic is exactly why rugged protection matters. This tough protective shell, built for Galaxy S26 users, focuses on absorbing life's sudden accidents without turning the phone into a brick. Reinforced, shock-resistant layers help soften drops and protect the device from daily scratches, while raised edges guard the screen and camera. The compact structure keeps the phone comfortable in hand, so pockets still feel natural instead of bulky. Crisp, tactile buttons make every press satisfying and responsive during everyday use. MagSafe compatibility quietly adds modern convenience for magnetic chargers and accessories. Compared with extremely heavy-duty armor cases, this design stays slimmer while still delivering strong protection, though extreme outdoor users might prefer thicker builds. Ideal for commuters, students, and everyday phone owners who want reliable impact defense with a clean, practical design. At number 5 is Attitude Drop Protection. A phone slipping from your hand lasts only a second, but the damage can haunt your wallet for months. That fear fades quickly with this rugged protection, built for Galaxy S26 users who need durability without sacrificing everyday convenience. The reinforced structure absorbs shock from unexpected drops, while raised edges quietly guard the screen and camera during daily use. A sliding lens cover adds extra security for the camera, keeping dust and scratches away when the phone moves through busy pockets or bags. The built-in card holder also simplifies quick trips by keeping a few essential cards close without carrying a separate wallet. Compared with ultra-slim protective shells, this design feels thicker, yet that extra structure delivers stronger impact resistance. Ideal for commuters, travelers, and active users who want dependable armor around their phone while still enjoying practical features that simplify daily carry. At number 4 is TORRAS Magnetic Shockproof Protective. One unexpected drop can turn a brand new phone into a stressful repair bill. That moment of panic is exactly what this rugged protection is built to prevent for Galaxy S26 users. Reinforced, shock-absorbing layers and air-cushioned corners quietly soften impact during accidental falls, while raised edges help shield the camera and screen from scratches. The slim structure keeps the phone comfortable in hand instead of bulky. Magnetic alignment adds everyday convenience by snapping securely to wireless chargers and car mounts without wobbling. The frosted, transparent back keeps the device looking stylish, while textured sides improve grip during busy moments. Compared with ultra-rugged armor cases, this design stays lighter and sleeker, though extreme outdoor users may prefer thicker shells. Ideal for commuters, travelers, and everyday phone owners who want dependable impact resistance, magnetic convenience, and a refined, protective design that still feels modern and practical. The third one on our list is Surich Magnetic Protective. A phone slipping from your hand happens faster than a blink, yet the damage can last far longer. That sudden risk is exactly what this rugged design for Galaxy S26 users aims to prevent. Reinforced edges absorb impact, while raised protection quietly shields the screen and camera during everyday accidents. The foldable camera cover adds another thoughtful layer, guarding lenses from dust and scratches while still opening smoothly when it is time to capture a photo. A sturdy metal kickstand supports relaxed viewing for videos or calls without balancing the phone against random objects. Strong magnetic alignment connects easily with wireless chargers and car mounts, adding practical convenience to daily routines. Compared with slim, minimalist shells, this design feels slightly thicker, yet the extra structure brings stronger durability. Ideal for commuters, travelers, and active users who want dependable armor and versatile features working together during unpredictable daily moments. On number 2 is Dexnor Heavy Duty Rugged. A phone hitting the ground can feel like time suddenly slows down. That split-second panic is exactly why rugged protection matters for Galaxy S26 users who live actively. This heavy-duty design surrounds the device with reinforced layers that soften shocks and absorb impact during sudden drops. A sliding camera cover protects the lenses from dust scratches and bumps while moving smoothly whenever a photo moment appears. The built-in kickstand adds everyday convenience for video calls, streaming, quick navigation during travel. 2 front frame options also allow users to choose between a built-in screen protector or a bare display feel, depending on preference. Compared with slimmer protective shells, this design feels bulkier yet delivers far stronger durability. Ideal for travelers, hikers, and busy commuters who want dependable armor around their phone while still enjoying practical features that support daily life. Now moving to the last one is Shockproof MagSafe Protective. A sudden drop can turn a perfect phone into a costly lesson in seconds. That moment of panic is exactly why serious protection matters for Galaxy S26 users who expect durability from their case. This rugged design surrounds the device with reinforced layers that absorb impact and help soften harsh falls. Shock-absorbing corners quietly handle accidental drops, while raised edges guard the screen and camera during everyday use. A built-in kickstand adds convenience for watching videos or taking calls without holding the phone. Strong magnetic alignment also works smoothly with compatible wireless accessories and mounts, making daily charging and navigation easier. Compared with slimmer protective shells, this design feels more rugged and slightly bulkier, yet the added strength brings dependable impact resistance. Ideal for commuters, outdoor explorers, and busy users who want reliable armor around their phone while still enjoying practical everyday features. So guys, this was the video about the best Galaxy S26 drop protection cases. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.